Welcome to my video. This is the Eclectic Male Witch. Tonight, guys, I'm doing a crafting video again. And what it's going to be a spooky cat Halloween decoration. Sorry, I know the camera's kind of low here, so I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. Just pick it up at Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it mostly black, do the eyes a little different, maybe something with the ears. So, I got my paint right here. Gotta shake it up. Yeah, I know the camera's shaking a little bit, guys, but it's because I have it on my bed. I have it on top of a platform, and the bed does shake a little bit. So I'm just gonna start off, paint it. I'm gonna stop the video as I go, and we'll see how it looks when it's done. All right. So I'm just gonna start painting it here on one side. Paint it black. Just something fun to do. I know Halloween's still about a month and 3 weeks away, but I've been buying different things just to get ready for it. So it's pretty simple. Just going through painting it. You can have different types of paint. This is more of a wood paint because it's porous. It gets down into the pores. If I use the same paint that I used like to paint the mushrooms with, it wouldn't sink down into the pores of the wood very well, and this wouldn't turn out well. It would crack and it would peel. So I'm just using the right. I have different types of paints, so just using the wood paint for this. Just gonna go through and paint this one side. Guys, that video I did last night about removing negative energy, it's already working great. Today I feel much better. I feel like a big heavy weight has been lifted off of me. I feel the negative energy disappearing. And I went around the house and did a little cleansing ritual along with that. Took the cleansing bath. I woke up today, guys, and I'm feeling so much better. I don't feel like I've been feeling for a while now. Things are going really well. Like, it's working pretty fast. And on the new moon, I'm going to take the ingredients and I'm going to dump them in a proper spot. I'm going to dispose of them properly. So, see, that's coming along already. But something just seemed off to me. Things are breaking down. Things weren't going right. So, intuitively, I thought I needed to do something like that with that spell. And some spells take a while to work. Some work pretty fast. Since I did a combination of more than one thing, and my intentions are real strong, guys, it's already starting to manifest. So, I pushed the negative energy away from my home, away from my family, away from me. It's already making a big difference. Now the eyes, the round parts I'm going to leave blank for right now. You'll see why, because it's going to be a different color. If I get a little paint on it, it's okay. I'm trying not to, but I'm going to paint over it anyway. So, should probably use a smaller paintbrush around that area. Hang on. Let's see here. I got more over here, so problem is this one's got some bristles hanging off of it, so I gotta be careful. So I've used it several times. Most of my paintbrushes I get from Dollar Tree. These more professional ones I got at Walmart, because they have the fine tipped ones, and they're a little more expensive than traditional dollar. So, I'm trying to keep it so you can see it in camera range here. You can go to Dollar Tree and pick these up for $1.25 if you want one yourself. If you're local Dollar Tree, most Dollar Trees are very similar. You should be able to find something like this there. If not, I'm sure there's a store that has one very similar to this. Cat. I got some other cat ones here too. Be on the lookout, guys, because I'm going to be doing a contest video soon. It is going to be a surprise. I'm not going to really announce what it is, but I will do the announcement of the contest itself. I was just waiting for the right time. I've been so busy lately, guys, that I've had a lot of time. So, but you'd be looking forward to that because it'll be coming out real soon. The last one I mailed out, the person received it. They were real happy with it. It turned out great. And I was real pleased that they were really happy with it. So. If I get a little paint on me, I'm not so worried about it because that happens in your painting. Main thing is I'm keeping it away from my clothes. I'm sitting kind of far back here. Who knows? I might even give it out as a gift to somebody. We'll see. You know how much I like giving out gifts, especially things I've made. Even though I didn't like carve this out myself, I'm still painting it the way I want to paint it. And I think it would probably make a good gift for somebody. We'll see. How you doing for my wife too? She has a lot of Halloween decorations. I might have to take you around my house and show you some of the stuff I got set up. He has some Hocus Pocus Halloween brooms. My wife's not a witch, but she likes that kind of stuff right around the Halloween season. So. Alright guys, I got first layer down on the top. I'm going to set that down and let it dry. It shouldn't take real long. I'm going to stop the video, and when I come back, I'm going to continue painting. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back. I went through and I painted other side as well. What I'm going to do, the eyes, I'm going to take and I paint green around the base of the eyes. Just like this. See that? Trying to give it that spooky look. As you see, it's got that little like see what I mean? Highlight the little black right there. And of course I can put finishing touches on it later if I need to. Alright, that part's taken care of. I have to do it to the other side too. But for now, I'm going to go through and try to work on the ears a little bit here. Sweating that a little bit. Let's see. Take a little gray. This is one of those fine tip ones right here. See what I'm doing? starting to look pretty good there. I actually had to stop the video for quite a while. While I was dry, I ended up passing out, falling asleep. I've just been so tired today, and now I'm just trying to get this done so I can finish my video. Not too bad. I might have to go through and like put some eyes in here too. Maybe with the toes I'm gonna probably get just a little bit of gray down here also. Let's see if I can do this right without messing it up here. If you can see that. Try to stand out a little more. Well, yeah, that's okay, because the front ones are usually sharper than the back, so it's okay if those ones are closer together than the ones in the back here. So, how well you guys can see that. It shouldn't take long to dry now because there's only a little bit of paint. So I'm going to stop it for right now and I'm going to come back, alright guys? Alright guys, I got one last section to do, and that's the slits for the eyes. So I'm going to take some black paint and carefully just go across like this. It's really touchy here, so there we go. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I think that's not bad. Yeah. Let's try to even it out a little bit here. There we go. See, it's all done now. I got the toes done, the eyes, the ears. I already did this side, so just to save time. And that's what it's going to look like. So, I don't think it's a really long video it turned out to be, but I had to cut stuff for time, and like I said, I ended up falling asleep. And so, well, that's it for right now, guys. I did the Halloween cat. It's supposed to be spooky Halloween cat. Painted it up myself, and if you want one like this, Dollar Tree should have them. I don't know, more than likely your local Dollar Tree will have something like this, so I know mine did. Alright guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification button when you update my latest video. Thank you for watching my video. This is the Eclectic Male Witch. Blessed be.